Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to go ahead and start off with the Patrickstarr set powder. It is one of their brand new products. He does have a whole line of products that he collaborated with MAC, like lipsticks and lip liners, lip glosses, and all that, but I was set on his set powder. And here it is. It has a disco ball kind of holographic packaging. Comes in this beautiful matte kind of container with a shiny silver top. There are some details on the bottom, but most of the ingredients are listed on the box that it came in. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Here is the sifter, and I just wanted to show you guys that. And I just wanted to also show you how I usually put my powder in the top when I use a powder, and for some reason I could not get any product out, and that was as much product as I could get out, so I decided to just take off the whole top. It wasn't hard, but you do have to dig in there. So again, Patrickstarr himself doesn't use the sifter, and the powder actually is easier to get into. But we're going to go ahead and start testing this set powder with two different concealers today. I'm using the Kylie concealer in the shade Maple on one side of my face and the top middle part, and the other areas I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium. And I know it's controversial, but I know everyone has it. So back to this tutorial, I am blending it out with my Eco Tools mini blender, and on the other side I'm going to blend out the Tarte Shape Tape. And we are going to test this out with the Patrickstarr set powder now and see how it works. I'm going to use the e.l.f. small tapered brush to set on one side with the Kylie. I usually love setting my powders and under eye powders with a brush, a light dust, no baking, my preference, and that's just how I roll. Looks like it's setting real nice and flawlessly. It is a teensy bit drying though, I have to say. The Colourpop small fluff brush I like to set my eyes with as well, and I just did that with the Tarte Shape Tape side, and it had the same effect. So now I'm just going to do the rest of my face. I do want to mention that this powder is brightening. It doesn't have a super pigment, but it is in the middle between pigmented and translucent. Also, it costs $34 for 1.1 ounces. Anyways, back to this tutorial. ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm going to go through that super fast. I'm using the shades Havana and Nutmeg just to contour and bronze up my face. And then we're going to go back into a MAC product. It's not a new MAC product, but it is the blush in the shade Sunbasque, and I do love the shade. Almost forgot about it, but it is beautiful and stunning and light and just perfection. But I'm going to go back in with the ABH palette, and that is the medium contour kit. I'm using the 10K highlighter that it came with, and I do love that subtle shine. But back to the newer products from MAC. We're going to review and talk about the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Pluses. I love the original, but they came out with 3 different scents. As you can see on the top, if you twist it, it locks. That's super cool. And this is the spray I'd like to show you. It sprays super amazing. And this is the comparisons with the minis and the full sizes. The full size is 3.4 ounces and the minis are 1 ounce. They are only available in the full sizes right now. So I just wanted to let you guys know. But I'm actually spraying all the different scents. This is coconut. It has a faint, kind of subtle scent, like kind of like a fresh coconut, not anything sugary or anything like that. That was lavender. It has a more kind of girly perfume scent, but it does go away. And then the last was the rose, which I'm in love with because it smells like fresh roses. Seriously, it smells like you're in a flower shop. Okay guys, so that was my video. Hope you enjoyed it. I try to just get to the point as much as I can, not blabber. I want to keep you informed on the product, let you see swatches, how it can be used, how it looks on my skin, with not really any filters. I do have the lights, but I will be doing a giveaway soon. I keep saying it, I know, but I just keep adding more stuff to it, so it will probably be posted in February, just because I feel like I'm almost close to 2,000 subscribers, and I think that would be an amazing giveaway once I hit that. So stay tuned for that once I hit 2,000. Again, this product is sold out, so follow Patrickstarr, follow MAC Cosmetics if you are interested in this powder. In my opinion, I do think it is full coverage, more for those full coverage girls and boys who love that kind of MAC Studio skin finish kind of powder. I'm more of a natural kind of soft glam. That's why I stick to my Laura Mercier, but I will reach for this when I do my done up look. So it is worth it. It's such a good price, $34. That's nothing compared to a lot of powders, and you get a lot of product. It may not be working well, in my opinion, if you do have the sifter. I think the sifter does kind of separate the powder, but at the same time, I feel like the sifter kind of keeps the product inside. So like Patrick in his video on his powder, I just took it out. He likes to dab his beauty blender in and set his makeup like that. But for my preference, I use a brush and it worked just as well. So that was my video. Hope you enjoyed it. I love the MAC Fix Plus. It is one of my go-tos. I have a 3.4 fluid ounce original primer, and they are selling all the scented ones in 3.4 ounces only right now from what I could see, and I'm almost out. It is going to be on my empties, which is on my Instagram, and I'll link that down in the description box if you want to follow me there. I do also do reviews, swatches, and all that, pictures, makeup of the MOTDs, makeup of the day pics, and I also do unboxing and all that. My favorite scent is the rose. Again, it is just amazing. I need to get that one in the full version. And yeah, that was my video. I love you guys so much. Please comment down below. The more you comment, the more I will see you, the more I will remember you, and the better your chances of to win my giveaways. So I will see you guys all next time. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial review and swatch and all that. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye guys.